Hi everyone, myself Dr.S.P.Saranya, working at Dr.S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application. Now we are going to see about the introducing a Python. It's a global force. So Python was created by the Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. He is the developer. I put the image of Van Guido Rossum. He is currently working at Microsoft. In late, he is working at CWI and ABC language. He design and Python design and emphasize readability and simplicity. Python is the first most popular programming language. Its growth is driven by the data science, artificial intelligence, and web development. So back in the late 1980s, there was a programmer named Guido Rossum from the Netherlands. He worked at researchers lab called CWI, that is Centrum Wiskunde Informatica. At the time, programmers were using many complicated languages like C and C++. There was another language, it's called ABC, which was easier to use, but it had many limitations. So Guido liked the simplicity of ABC, but he wanted something more powerful. So during his Christmas holidays in December 1989, when others were celebrating, Guido started working on new programming that is named as the Python. So after a lot of work, Python was officially released in the year of 1991. That was Python version 0.9.0. Nowadays 1 million developers work under the Python. So it's already had some advanced features even back then, like functions, loops, error handling, and even classes. People started to notice Python because it was simple, clean, and concise syntax and easy to learn. So where is Python used today? That means Python is everywhere. It's not just a language for beginners. It's used by the biggest tech companies in the world. For example, Google. Google uses it for search engines. Netflix uses to recommend shows to you, and NASA uses its scientific applications. Instagram, YouTube, and many other social medias use the Python. So it's also used in the web development with Django and Flask, data science and AI with Pandas, NumPy, and TensorFlow. It's also used to automation and game development, and even in the education field as a Python first programming language. So this is the key features of Python. It is a high level and interpreted language, and in readability it's have concise syntax and clear. So it's almost English. Extensive standard library inbuilt in the library function. So batteries are included. Cross platform, it work under the cross runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and many other operating system. So the enduring power of Python is the versatility, community support, continuous evaluation, and future impact. So versatility meaning Python work under the many other domains. So it's a versatility language. Biggest community support have Python. Around 2 million developers work under the Python. So its continuous evaluation, its growth is the biggest strength of the Python. And who manages Python today? Guido van Rossum lead the development of Python for many years. People even called him BDFL, that is benevolent dictator for life. But in the 2018, he stepped down from the role. Now Python is managed by the Python Software Foundation, that is PSF. Is a group of developers and volunteers who make sure the language keeps improving. Guido still gives advice, and in fact he joined in the Microsoft in the year of 2020 to continue work on Python. So why learn Python? Python started as a hobby by Guido in 1989. So in the first released in the year of 1991, grow through the version 1, 2, and now Python 3. It's simple, powerful, and used by the major companies. I'll example the few companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram. It's perfect for beginners and also for professionals. Whether you want to build softwares or data science or artificial intelligence or automatic tasks, Python is the perfect choice. So learn Python now. You are learning a language that is shaping the future technology. Thanks for watching.